fast-paced automotive industry, automakers face dual challenges: how to enhance vehicle capability and deliver superior user experiences at the same time. Current fragmented solutions do not support seamless connectivity and scalable deployment, therefore hinders advanced and real-time service applications, such as traffic management, collision avoidance, immersive in-vehicle experiences, etc. To tackle the challenges, we are deploying an AI-based vehicle road cloud collaboration system, which turns the network into a dynamic B2B automotive innovation platform. By merging wireless and core network capability with AI and edge computing, it offers differentiated value-added services to boost driving safety and efficiency, including real-time traffic management, predictive collision warnings, and environmental monitoring. By replacing PC5 interfaces with 5G UU-based V2X connectivity, we provide universal, continuous access without hardware upgrade, which simplifies deployment, reduces costs, and speeds up market entry. Key use cases include real-time data integration for traffic flow optimization, ultra-low latency hazard notifications, OTA updates, HD map downloads, and rich in-vehicle media. Open standardized APIs enable automakers to explore new service models, expand very new channels, and realize 20% annual API-driven revenue increase for CSP.